Hi everyone, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Tonight we are going to make Keto Instapot Cheesecake. And I started getting ahead of myself, and I already have the pecans in my new little handy dandy food processor, and we're going to crunch those up for the crust. I've seen this recipe done with an almond crust, but I wanted to try it with a pecan crust. I think it'll be really good like that. So let's get kicking. I'm going to need 2 cups of nuts. So next, you want to line your springform pans with parchment paper. Alright, so that's ready to go, I think. I've never done this recipe before, but I've seen it. And I wanted to try it with pecans. Next, you want to melt 5 tablespoons of butter so that you can put that in and mix it with your pecans to make the crust. And I just heated this up in the microwave. I know I hate using the microwave, but sometimes you just have to do it. I love pecans. So you just want to get this really mixed well. And you want to put it in your springform pan. That's going to look right there. And just press it out. Next, I'm going to take 16 ounces of cream cheese, and I am going to soften it in the microwave for about a minute. Just wanted you to see that I do have a cheerleader back here cheering me on. How cute. You watching out for Joni? Next, I'm gonna combine my cream cheese then I'm gonna add 1 cup of sour cream. Next, I'm going to add 2/3 cup sugar-free sweetener. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs, 2 beaten eggs that were at room temperature. A pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And then you want to mix it together with a whisk. You want to pour your cheesecake mixture onto your pecan crust. Also, I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil. Okay, for the Instapot, I'm going to put 1 cup of water. Okay, we're going to put this little doohickey in the bottom. And then we're going to take our cheesecake and we're going to set it right in. Oh, that's going to be a tight fit. There, that's going to be a sucker to get out. Alrighty. And I set it again. Doggone it. So then we're going to put the lid on. Okay, so now I think I have it figured out. Put the lid on like that. And then lock it into place. I'm going to plug it in. Okay. So let's do manual. Make sure the keep warm is off. No. 28 minutes. And I think that's it. Okay. I think I got it. I don't know. We'll see. I don't think that you can mess a cheesecake up too bad. Hopefully not. So, we're going to wait for 28 minutes. And we'll come back and check on it. Alrighty, that scared the crap out of me. I turned this little thingy and it started spitting. Did not know what to expect, but we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. It's done. So we'll get it out after 10 minutes. She's done. Now we just have to get it out. Okay, got it out of the Instapot. Gonna let it sit for a little while, and then I'm gonna put a sour cream topping on it. Okay, the cheesecake is in the fridge, but I want to do the topping. I'm going to do about a half a cup of sour cream for one side. To this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of keto sugar, whatever sugar-free sweetener. I'll put what I used in the link down below. And I'm just going to mix this together. And to this, I'm going to add some blueberries and strawberries. Okay, I'm going to give this a couple of pulses. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'm going to add it to my sour cream mixture. Chunky's helping out. Hi, Chunky. You helping me? You helping me in here? Oh, mommy boy. You so handsome. Aw. I wish you would stop eating cats, though. Or trying to. Yes, you're a good boy. Okay, to this, we are going to add on 1/2 of it this blueberry concoction we have. And on the other side, we're going to do strawberry with whipping cream, with sugar-free whipping cream. I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of whipping cream. I've never made whipping cream in this little thing before. Don't know if I can, but we're going to try. To my whipping cream, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, or replacement sugar. And then I'm going to add my strawberries, just doing 5. And we'll get this chopped up. Okay, let's see how this tastes. Pretty good. Okay, so on this half, I'm going to do the strawberry mixture. And it could use probably another teaspoon of sweetener in it, but this is good enough. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge. We're going to leave it overnight. I'm going to cover it up and leave it in there overnight, and we're going to try it tomorrow. Okay, y'all, it's time to crack this cheesecake open. Ooh, look at that.
Does look good.
Yum-y. Alright, y'all, got it out. Got it on a plate. Look how yummy that looks. Joe and I are about to slice it up and see how it tastes.
Alright, I'm going to try this, but does everybody know that cheesecake is like my favorite? And my mom makes it for me all the time. Whenever, like, if we have a family thing, she'll make it. Which side is this, do you remember?
That's the blueberry.
It's actually pretty good. I like the crust. You can taste a little bit of that sweetener on the back of your tongue, but not as bad as we've done it before. Not this, but we've done other stuff before that had it stronger. This really isn't bad. I mean, if you can't have cheesecake and you have to have keto cheesecake, I would say this is a very good option.
Try this. That's got a different kind of topping on it.
What was the difference in this topping?
The blueberry had a sour cream blueberry topping, and the strawberry has a whipping cream.
The whipping cream is better.
Okay.
It is. Very good.
Yay! So you've got it, folks. Got to try this recipe. Joe says it's a hit. Thanks for watching.